How to fix Battlefield 2042. There is problem with your game setup error. To fix Battlefield 2042, there is problem with your game setup error. Try 1. Install the latest build of Microsoft Visual Runtime Libraries at https:/n-i-fana/cpp/windows/latest-supported-vc-reds-t?view =MSVC-160. 2. Close BF20. Install Apex Legends for Windows, and then try to relaunch the EA game. Furthermore, 2. Point 1. For NVIDIA graphics players, add the Apex Legend application into NVIDIA Control Panel, manage 3D setting program setting, click on Add button, click on Browse. 2.2. Download the latest DXX version at https://www.microsoft.com/n-a/download/details.aspx?id=35. 2.3. Repair your BF. via EGN_Tisha_setup as admin. See more info at https://help.ea.com/n/help/faq/troubleshoot-easy-anti-cheat troubleshoot easy anti-cheat. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Ensure your antivirus did not block BF2042 and/or EA related services. 5. Check whether any Epic Games application or launcher is silently running in the background via Task Manager. 6. Verifying the integrity of game files in Steam or Origin for Windows.